Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to turn on Ford Explorer with key step by step. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with the key or key fob, doors closed and seatbelt off for clear movement. Verify the gear selector is in park and apply steady pressure to the brake pedal. If your key has a mechanical blade, locate and remove any steering column cap to access the ignition slot correctly. Begin with the key fob in hand and press unlock to disarm the system and access the vehicle. If the Explorer has push-start issues, remove the mechanical key blade from the fob and insert it into the ignition slot or keyed slot on the column. Turn the key to the accessory position first to confirm electronics work, then continue turning firmly to start the engine while keeping your foot on the brake. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for simple voice commands and a fun soundtrack while you work on the car. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future tips and walkthroughs. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab your tools and tune up your ride. Now let's get back to the video. With the key in the ignition and your foot on the brake, rotate the key fully to the start position and hold until the engine cranks. Release the key as soon as the engine starts so it returns to the run position, then let the motor idle briefly to stabilize. If it fails to start, pause a few moments before trying again to protect the starter and fuel system from unnecessary strain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.